ang kabataan ay hindi lamang ang hinaharap ng lipunan at ng simbahan. Ang kabataan ang kasalukuyan. You are the now. You are the present of society and the church. You are the face of society and the church. And we want to address you. Ano ba ang ginagawa ng Diyos para buksan ang pinto ng pananampalataya? 3 pamamaraan. Madali lang itong unawain. Faith that is known and studied through the Word of God. Faith that is celebrated through the sacraments and prayer. Faith that is lived in society, in relationships. Sa bandang huli, kahit 3 elements yan, ang inuuwian, they are all rooted in a dynamic and loving relationship with Jesus.
Kita nyo mga TUP yan, kahit babae na
It's a great experience. Sama kayo. I-person ninyo na magkaroon ng ganito sa kada campus ninyo, especially na with Cardinal Tagle. Ayun, mag-enjoy kayo.